In this demonstration, we'll run through a number of RPA use cases: processing incoming email messages, sending email notifications, extracting words off PDF documents, entering data into an accounting platform, file transfers to a Microsoft SharePoint online storage system, publishing information on Power BI dashboard. In this demonstration, the software robot, which we're calling the RPA administrator, is working together with the account manager and the purchaser to streamline the accounts payable process. This process begins with the supplier issuing an invoice to account email address and ends with the supplier receiving payment. The first task of the process was to automatically locate and download PDF invoices from dedicated email address where all invoices from suppliers are sent, in this case accounts@dataengineering.com.au. After downloading the invoices from the email, the invoices are then sorted by suppliers. In this case, the invoice from supplier Verse Group is saved in a folder with name Verse Group, and the invoice from supplier TEC is saved in a folder TEC. Soon after the invoices have been sorted, an email is sent to the purchaser and account manager notifying them that some invoices have arrived from supplier, Verse Group, and CEC. Once the purchaser receives the email, the purchaser can then approve the invoice by sending an approval email to the account manager. Next, the PDF invoices now go through another process whereby the software robot reads and extracts specific information from the invoices. The information that is being extracted by the robot can be configured and modified to the preference of the use case. In this use case, we've chosen to capture the following information: the invoice number, invoice description, invoice issue date, invoice due date, quantity, and total amount due. In this task, the robot transfers the extracted information into the relevant section of the financial accounting application. In this case, we've used the Xero accounting platform. However, it does not matter which accounting platform is used to process the invoice. This can be any type of accounting or ERP platform. Soon after the invoices have been saved as a draft in the accounting system, an email notification is sent to the account manager informing him that the invoices are waiting for approval. If the account manager have received an approval email from the purchaser, he can then proceed with selecting the account type before clicking the approval button and activating the pay run. During this task, the robot will move the individual PDF invoices to a folder in an online document storage, in a folder named Processed Invoices, located on SharePoint Online. We have implemented this task to easily see which invoices were successfully processed by the robot. In this final task, we configured the software robot to publish all the earlier retrieved invoice data to a Power BI dashboard in order to enable the accounts payable manager to stay updated on the flow of invoices into the business. By implementing this robotic process automation solution, we were able to achieve the following benefits: eliminated printing hard copies of invoices, reduced data entry and administration costs, improved cash flow, ensured information accuracy, increased system stakeholder awareness through email notifications, allowed 24/7 uninterrupted accounts payable processing, enabled employees to eliminate some mundane tasks, increasing morale.
Are you looking for a partner to introduce robotic process automation into your business? Data Engineering is a digital services partner who can rapidly prototype and develop a robotic process automation solution for you, resulting in significant return on investment. So sign up for a free consultation at dataengineering.com.au to learn more.